Tip 1. Brushing your teeth helps keep them stay clean, white, healthy, and strong. Dentists recommend cleaning your tooth at least 2 times a day. Use a good quality toothbrush. Get an interdental/interproximal brush. Tip 2. Use a non-whitening, fluoride toothpaste. Dentist recommends using fluoride toothpaste, which contains the natural minerals you need to keep the teeth enamel healthy and prevent teeth from cavities. Tip 3. Rinse your mouth frequently. Teeth having braces are highly prone to cavities and dirty particles. Food particles can easily get trapped into the braces and make your teeth yellowish. Foods like coffee, wine, tea, and other drinks can stain. Tip 4. Get a fluoride mouthwash. Mouthwash is also an essential item to keep your teeth white and healthy with braces. Consider using a fluoride mouthwash thrice a week for extra cavity protection. Be sure to use the non-alcoholic mouthwashes as other. Tip 5. Floss your teeth once a day. Flossing can be difficult when you have braces, however, it is an effective way to keep your teeth clean and white with braces.